Hey guys, and welcome back to the Alpha Exchange YouTube channel. I'm your co-host Sylvia,
And I'm Justin.
and thank you for joining us again for another video on taking you further on your crypto journey. So in some of our previous videos, we showed you how to set up a wallet and how to get connected. In today's video, we'll show you how to disconnect your wallet and the important reasons for doing so. So Justin, as I've been getting more involved in the crypto space, I've been connecting my wallet to websites I'm using. However, what are some of the reasons that I might want to disconnect my wallet after I'm done using those sites?
Yeah, it's a great question and one we've gotten a lot from our community members. So one of the issues that we have in this crypto Web3 space is we get this double-edged sword between user experience and convenience and security. And they're always opposed to one another, right? We want things to be seamless and easy to use. At the same time, we want to stay safe and secure. So we always have these issues that we have to overcome. And one of the easiest ways that we can help protect ourselves, even though it inconveniences us a little bit, is to disconnect our wallet from the websites we've interacted with so that we aren't exposed to additional attack vectors.
So thinking about some ways that we can get compromised, if a malicious actor was looking to compromise your wallet through a connected site, what are some of the ways that they might do that?
Yeah, so one of the things that, because this is an evolving space, the ways that you can be compromised evolve with how the smart contracts are written and implemented. And because this is ever changing on a day-to-day basis, we're finding new and new ways that people are being exposed. So rather than trying to think of all the ways that people are getting attacked or could be attacked, we just recommend to err on the side of caution and disconnect your wallet. But some of the ways that you might be familiar with is like phishing or scamming attempts. So what things you might see is a malicious user that gets control of, say, like your favorite website, like Uniswap, OpenSea, Rarible. And generally it's not from attacking the website itself, but the people that run it. So they might hack or expose the devs or the admins that run the site, which then gives them the ability to control the website and then start doing malicious actions. So that could be something like putting a false transaction to remove funds from your wallet when you're trying to do a normal interaction on the website, or pushing a transaction to your website from a website that you aren't currently interacting with. Like you might be trying to do an NFT purchase on Uniswap, but another website you've been connected to sees that your wallet's being active, and then they try to push a transaction to your wallet to get in front of the other transaction you're trying to do on the blockchain.
That's a great tip for users to be aware that this could be a potential phishing attempt. So what are some of the actual ways to disconnect my wallet?
Yeah, so that's a great question. Let's just dive right in. So if we go to our trusty friend Metamask, so up in my toolbar here, if I click on the Metamask icon, the first step to protect yourself is disconnecting your wallet. So if I go to the three dots on the right hand side and click that, this brings up the drop down menu for connected sites. If I click the connected sites, I can see here that I have open connections in my wallet to Rarible and to Uniswap. So if I click the disconnect button, it's then going to prompt me to confirm, do I want to disconnect? Yes. And then I can do this for any websites that I'm connected to. Another way to secure your wallet is when you're done sessions, be sure to sign out. So if you click the account button here at the top, you can actually lock your wallet. So you want to be sure to lock your wallets in between sessions and you're not leaving it open and exposed, or set it to auto lock is another possibility as well, to set it lock on a regular timed basis.
So are there any other like third-party providers that one can use?
Yeah, so revoke.cash, the website I'm on right now, is a third-party provider that provides you information about what sites your wallets are connected to, specifically in terms of smart contracts and tokens. So this is another aspect that users often forget about, is their smart contract interactions, because you interact with the contract and you might forget days, weeks, months later that you did that previous transaction. So the one downside to using revoke.cash is that often when these attacks occur or these exposure events happen, many people are all being exposed at the same time. It could be thousands or it could be millions. So everyone's trying to rush to use these resources all at once. So another resource we tend to also recommend for people to use is our trusty friend Etherscan. So from the home page on Etherscan, if I go up to the top here and under tools, if I come down to token approvals, I have this option to connect my wallet. So again, we're going to connect a Web3 wallet. I can also type in an address or an ENS domain name. So I'm going to want to connect my MetaMask, approve this connection. And again, you might need to refresh the page or click the connect button again in order for the website to refresh properly. And here we can see that I have tokens connected for X2, Y2, LooksRare, and SOS. And the issue here is that I have an unlimited allowance set for them. So if you're not sure what this means, there's a really good read here on Revoke. So if you click the Revoke website and come to this link that says unlimited ERC token allowance considered harmful, you can learn more about what this means, but essentially it means that this is another convenience factor when interacting with these websites. So having unlimited token allowance means that every time you need to move funds between the website and your wallet, you don't have to approve that specific amount, and it'll just allow the amount to move back and forth. Again, it's a user experience and convenience factor, but again, these become double-edged swords where the more convenient it is for you and the easier it is to interact, the more risky it becomes, and it becomes another potential threat vector. So you're also going to want to click the include unregistered tokens and include zero balances when you're on revoke.cash, so you can see all the various tokens that are in your wallet that are currently zero, because you could possibly have open smart contracts on these websites. Because I have tokens staked with Looks and SOS, I have these open contracts right now, and you can see the issue is that I have an unlimited amount of tokens allowed. So I might want to change that to limit my exposure so I can only interact with a certain number of tokens, so they can't drain my wallet of all of them if a malicious actor again gets a hold of one of these websites.
And there you have it, guys. That's it for today's videos and how to disconnect your wallet. If you liked today's video, please like this video, hit the subscribe button, and drop us a comment down below. We'd love to hear from you and get your experience of how this video was, and also we'd love to hear your digital security tips.
Don't forget to check out the description below the video for helpful referral links. Hit us up on our socials, TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and be sure to join Discord and come chat with the whole fam.
Until next time.
Peace.